Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to make a poll on Facebook. So if you want to make a post in which you want to add poll, or if you want to add multiple options in your post, so you guys have to simply use poll option in your Facebook. So in order to use, I'm gonna tell you how you can use it. You guys have to simply open up Facebook. So after opening up Facebook, here you guys have to simply go to the above top right corner of your profile icon, and here you guys have to simply select groups. So after tapping on groups, here you guys have to simply go to your group section. So after tapping on it, it will review all of the groups in which you want to make post. You guys have to simply select the group in which you want to make a poll post. So assume that I'm selecting the first one. After that, you guys have to simply click on write something to make a post. And here you guys have to simply add a question on which you want to make poll. So assume that I'm selecting the question. So I have added a question. Now what you have to do is you guys have to simply click on the below right corner of three dots. So after tapping on that, it will provide you drop down menu. In the drop down menu, you guys have to simply select the option which is poll, which is third last option. So after selecting this option, you guys have to simply add the name of options. Assume that I'm selecting white, black. And if you want to add more options, you guys have to simply tap on add poll option to add more option, and you guys have to simply adjust the settings according to your need and click on done. So after tapping on done, it will add a poll to your post. Now you guys have to simply click on post to post the poll post on your Facebook. So I hope this methods find you well. To like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.